Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Nitto Invo Ultra High Performance Tire. This tire is all about high performance both in wet and dry conditions, superior traction, and reduced road noise. It has one of the most unique tread patterns out there. It's got an asymmetrical tread pattern, which means that this can be rotated in order to extend the life of the tire, as long as you aren't running a staggered setup. It costs right about $150 to $600 per tire, and there are various size options available. Keep in mind that pricing will change depending on the size that you're looking at. The Nittos are a cool looking tire, and they've been around for a little while, so they aren't new to the world. Nitto made these with a modern luxury car in mind, and it seems like they've done a pretty good job because these are a very popular tire. Customers love these and do tend to give them good reviews. We've already talked about the tread pattern and how it looks unique, but what about its functionality? The tread pattern is how Nitto gets so much out of this tire between traction and performance and the low noise characteristics. It's a balanced tire that brings ride comfort into the picture, even though this is an ultra high performance tire. Being an ultra high performance tire means that this thing needs to grip, whether it's in a corner or on a straight line. The compound of the tire is a big part of what helps it to perform like it does. It's a very soft compound, and the UTQG rating confirms this for us. The tread wear rating is at 260 with a traction and temp rating at AA and A. The outer blocks on this tire are made of larger reinforced tread blocks, which is going to help with both wet and dry traction and cornering ability. The inner shoulder helps increase the contact patch, which is going to give you more traction and braking performance, and it's going to make for a more stable tire according to Nitto. And even though this tire has an outer and inner side, all that means is that it matters how you mount these on the wheel. Once again, this is an asymmetrical tire, which means that it can be rotated. I'm sure you guys noticed this already, but part of the Invo's unique tread pattern are the waves that you see here. These are to help with wet traction, and Nitto calls them 3D multi-wave sipes. The two deep grooves in the tire also help with wet weather performance too, and they keep the water off of the tire. The other thing to look at is the varying size of the tread blocks in the tire. Nitto says that that's how they get these tires to operate quietly like a luxury car. Nitto says that avoiding tread blocks that repeat themselves in size keeps the road noise down. Do keep in mind that these are ultra high performance tires or summer tires. They're meant for spring, summer, and autumn operation. That doesn't mean that they can't stay on the car year-round, but it is something that you guys are going to need to keep in mind if you drive your car in cold weather. The soft compound of the tires is going to react to the cold, and the tires are going to stiffen up, which means that you can't expect them to get much traction until they warm up and get some heat in them. Another thing to keep in mind is that the Invos are offered in our wheel and tire packages, so if you guys happen to be looking for new wheels to go along with your new tires, you could have them mounted and balanced for free by us here, and we'll ship them out for free, 100% ready to go and ready to be installed on your car. Wrapping things up here, the Nitto Invo is an ultra high performance summer tire that combines great traction and handling performance with a nice, quiet ride quality. You can check them out more or pick your setup right here at AmericanMuscle.com.